Hello, my fellow traders. Hope that you're all good. And now it's time for a short market review. I have kind of reposted the new, freshly kind of refreshed levels for the possible entries during the overlap session. Okay, so switching to 15-minute chart, and then we'll kind of run through all of them. All right, so talking about Aussie dollar, have a bullish view at the moment. As I can see, the triggering of these lows and this option level, which is 0.76356, is quite possible. So it's a volume weighted level which is weighted by the volume and open interest. Okay, so this is a fresh level here, and it does look like the price, in case of the price will break through this area, as we can see, this is a structural level. So this is not a volume weighted level or a session level, it's just a simple structure, and we do see some kind of bullish pattern around here, but bullish reversal, but it all depends. Am I right or am I wrong? All right, so I think that that's it for now. So yes, looking for buying opportunities. Do believe that this low will be triggered. We'll try to buy it around this level here. Don't want to try this level. So we'll wait for a further kind of down move here. Okay. Aussie, it's euro dollar. All right, euro dollar. Well, the price still can trigger these lows. That's something what I'm afraid of. So we still have like half an hour before the US starts in full throttle, but I would wait at least this half an hour, and I'm not worrying about losing a position. So all I'm worrying about is losing a money on my account. So that's it. Okay, guys. So for now, I'm going to wait till this level is, well, possibly this level. Possibly I'll see some kind of, let's put it this way, maybe I'll see some kind of volume confirmation. I don't see anything at the moment on 15-minute chart, but well, I've already told today in the morning that, well, using the volume to confirm the entries. So you're doing the analysis, you're kind of expecting the price to bounce off some levels, and when the price is approaching this level, so if you are not only using price action confirmation but volume as well, then you can actually use a 5-minute chart as well. So the thing is that you might be wrong, of course, and your stop loss might be triggered, but the thing is that on 5-minute chart, if you're trading properly, then your stop loss is very small. So even if it's triggered, it's not a problem for you. So that's basically how I trade. Don't really care about these small stop losses, because I know that one trade will cover them all. All right, one good trade. Okay, so that's my view, current market view. On euro dollar, we have some kind of congestion here. Don't really like it. I have tried to buy it here. Let me show it to you, by the way, what I did actually. So I've already bought and sold it. It was like a scalping trade, I would say, but I did see, I just want to show it to you, the real account, not something what I'm just talking about. So that's it. This is the euro trade here. So I have entered around, you see, entered around here, exited around here. So basically at the reversal. Again, it's all about volume. Yes, so I entered because of the volume using a limit order and exited because of the volume didn't confirm further up move. And that's it. So for now, I'm waiting for the low to be triggered. I'm doing the webinar from my analysis platform, basically. The thing is that I'm trading with different brokers, on different platforms. So for me, it's convenient to have just one analysis platform and then placing an order anywhere, basically. So I can use even my mobile phone, to place an order. It doesn't really matter because I see all the charts here. Not the mobile phone, smartphone, Nice one. So probably we'll have something here. Pound dollar. Let's have a look at pound. What do we see here? Well, do expect it to go down, to be honest. Well, we probably have missed any good entries for today. Well, the maximum to expect, well, of course, is this one, because it was a wide session. As you can see, we had well, the price bounced off this level. I have discussed it earlier this morning, and basically I've explained how we were able to spot this reversal. But the thing is that, well, I was basically late, and I don't want to be late. I want to be on time, and if I'm late, then I'm just simply not trading. So I'm not trying to catch the price. So I'm always trading my system, and that's something what I suggest you to do. You must have your own system and trade it all the time. Otherwise, if you're trying just simply to catch the price, it will not be right. And finally, you won't have any good things on your account, basically. That's what I think. All right, so it's pound looking for bearish kind of entries. New Zealand looking for, at the moment, bearish entries as well. Well, due to this session, well, what we have here, well, I would say that this level at these highs and, of course, this volume-weighted level might be triggered. It's 0.72443. The level is strong. The price has been in a range for quite a while now, and that's something what we can expect, that the price, well, of course, it can just simply kind of break through this low here and continue its down movement toward this target at least. So probably I've placed a little bit too target a bit too far, so somewhere around here for now. Of course, it can change during the US session. All right, so but that's something what we can expect for now here. Okay, let's go a bit further now. Yeah, so one of these three levels I would suggest to sell, but well, me personally, I will wait till this one is triggered. If not, then if I'm missing a trade, I'm missing a trade. Don't worry about it. All right. That was New Zealand. And now let's have a look at Canadian. What do we have here? Canadian. All right. So the price was going down, but for now, it's in the range. It does look like we are going to move somewhere, and quite fast. So basically, in case if the price will simply break through this congestion area, and well, the possibilities of this level to be broken are quite high. And then the next target will be just here, 1.28178. But also the price can actually go up first, go down to trigger all the stop losses above these areas here. And it will be 1.29834. So that's something what we can expect. So this is the area to watch. To sell, it's better to use this. Well, if you are trading breakouts, it means that you can actually, well, two ways of trading it. You can trade the level breakouts, and this is one of the levels to trade, or you can trade a range breakout, which is at the moment, so this low. So sell stop at this low, and stop losses I would suggest to use an ATR based or, well, any kind of volatility stop losses, but do not use these structural based stop losses because they are always triggered, almost always. All right, so it's even I would say it's much more logical to use a level stop losses, you know, especially if it's a volume weighted levels, because the thing is that if we are right and the price has already triggered the level, then the price is going to go in our direction and that's it. But if we are using, well, of course, sometimes it can be the same as, how can I say, it can be the same as, sorry, a bit tired already. All right, so it can be the same as level and structural stop loss, yes, but well, what can we do then? Then it's logical to use a structural stop loss in case if structure and level are at the same kind of place on the chart. All right, so for now, well, I do expect this level to be bounced or at this congestion area. We can draw a, just a second. Okay, so we can draw something like this here. You see this congestion, so it will be triggered before the price will continue its down movement. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I will try to trade. Okay, so that's it for now. For Canadian, we have a couple of more. So Frankie, yen, and gold. So that's what I have now. Then we'll have a look at what is happening with oil as well. So I'll just have to switch between these to another platform, basically. All right. So what's happening here? Frankie, do you expect it to continue its down movement? All right. So too many chances for the price to go down. So too many chances. Well, I'm mostly kind of paying the attention to a closing price, mostly, not the, how can I say? Yeah. Not only the high lows, you know, and I do watch volume, I do kind of count all these levels, you know, do use these CME reports, etc. So basically, for now, what I'm expecting is that, well, as you can see, this level has already been respected. So sell stop below this level would be all right. I'm not trading it, but it can be placed here. It's logical. I will wait till this level, these highs, or this one of these two levels, you know, this area, the whole area will be triggered. Excuse me. So waiting for this area to be reached first, then I'm looking for a reversal pattern around this area, then I'm using a limit order, you know, so many things that I'm expecting to happen, and then I will try to sell it. Okay, so that's something what I will try to do. Not sure that it will happen, of course. And again, every time when you are trying to trade and when you're trying to trade profitably, yes, Euro New Zealand, of course I will do it now, just a second. So the only thing is that I do count the levels for my main kind of instruments I trade. So I will finish with the yen and the gold and then New Zealand. Okay, is it fine for you? Really hope that it will be fine for you. All right, so for now, what can I say? Well, this is wrong for now. All right, so yes, all right, that's good, that's a deal. Okay, so what do I see here? Well, very good congestion, and actually it might be a double bottom as well. As you can see, I've mentioned this structural level earlier on, and we are in kind of, you know, sideways market here. So what can actually happen? The price can actually bounce off this level. It's already bounced, and it's been up for one third of a percent, so which is well, it might be a good retracement area. And as you can see, this level is already triggered. So what I'm expecting here is that the price can actually go down from here, just from this level, you know, or it can give us a wick. You know, why should it be here? Because, well, at the moment, we do have lots of, you know, stop losses above this area. So that's why this level might be triggered as well. So the price can actually continue its down movement from here, where it is at the moment, or it actually can, or it actually can continue its up movement for a bit and then go down. Of course, this is a control point. So this level here, not this one for now, but this one for the current session, current overlap session. Okay, so that's something what we're waiting for. Right, and now gold very quickly. Well, do expect it to go up. It does look like a very good bounce here. What I'm looking for, let me switch to 5-minute chart, because probably I'm going to enter here, or at least I will place a limit order. So what do we have here? We do have a few bullish bars here, but we don't have a rising volume. Don't really like it. So we'll keep on waiting. Not sure if I'm right or wrong, but what can actually happen, the price can continue to go down toward this level here, all right? I might be wrong, but I don't see confirmation, so I cannot trade against my system. Okay, so for now, I'm going to look at Euro New Zealand. Okay, okie dokie. So let me switch to Euro New Zealand then. Yes, I'll use this gold chart. Okay, do I have it here? Oh, so many people are trading it, by the way. So probably I will do it as well. Do you find it good? So have you been trading this instrument long? All right. So just a second, have to wait till it will be loaded. Okay. So what do we see here? I will start with at least a daily chart, just a quick, very quickly, you know, just to see what. Ooh, it's noisy, noisy, noisy. So I do see that the price has been going down for a while now. Okay. Now I'll start with the weekly chart. Just want to get a clear picture of what is happening, you know. All right, that's good, that's good. All right, so what do we see here now? Well, of course, it's a very wide area. Of course, it's a weekly chart, but, well, we see a support area here, and it has been triggered one more time during the last week. So it might go up, to be honest, but the thing is that it's only Monday. So on Monday, well, let's put it this way. If I was trading 1 week chart, you know, and if I wanted to enter it and to use this signal here, you know, we do have some factors to try, to be honest. So I would place a buy limit order just at the middle of the whole range of the last candle. So it would be somewhere around 1.53535. So let me place it here just as something to watch, you know. So 525. All right, so this is the level to watch. Just a rough idea, you know. So I will tell you a couple of things in a minute. Okay, so you might use them in your future trading as well. So as we all know, the round numbers on any instrument, it doesn't matter what you trade, what market you trade, etc., they do work. So round numbers, that's something what we always watch. Okay, so as you can see here, so we had a very good tail, so which is a failure to go below the support area, you know. So we do have a very strong support here. It's first, so that's good for us. We do have a channel up at the moment. Okay, so we do have a channel up, but that's something what I don't like. So it all depends on what other participants can see, actually, you know. And we must have a picture. So all right, so what factor do we have on 1 week chart? On 1 week chart, we have a bullish reversal pattern, so which is good. On a daily chart, let's switch back to 1 day just to have a look. Oops, 1 day, where is it? So on a week chart, we have 1 week. We have up signal. On a daily chart, we have, well, yes, with 2 previous days, we had a basically bullish pattern here, as you can see. So it's almost engulfing, but sort of, you know, it has been closed above 50% of the previous day. So we might go up again, up on a daily chart. Okay. So, and quite a short stop loss. I wouldn't use this level here, but I would use, well, this area, which is mentioned before, or the low of the Friday as a stop loss. It's wide, I know. Normally I'm trading, but what I mean by that is that the level to expect, you know, the level to enter. So for now, I see buying opportunity here, but let me switch to 4-hour chart just to see what is happening there. Well, yes, the price is going up actually. And we have all right, so what do we have here? Look. Okay, we have a quite strong down moving channel. So in case of the price will break through it, so you see it's quite clear here. So we do have a bullish reversal pattern on weekly chart, which is very strong. We do have a bullish reversal pattern on a daily chart. So I would suggest you to go long, but yes. All right, so I would go long definitely, but it all depends on when. Okay, so what I would do personally, I'm not advising anything, first of all, but what I would do personally, I would wait. Well, the thing is that now from what I saw, I want to trade it and I want to be bullish in this one because we have a very good risk-reward ratio here and very good perspective on this one as well. So the thing is that what I will wait for, I will wait till this level is broken. It might happen today, and then if today we have a bullish signal, bullish day, yes, so it will be a confirmation for tomorrow's up move. So that's something what we can do as well. So all right, so on a daily chart it will look something like this, I will tell you. Just some approach how you can actually start. So look, for example, today we have a bullish day here. So let me make it a bit bigger, a bit more clear. So if we have a bullish day, it will be a confirmation of this reversal pattern. How do we trade confirmation? Of course, we are not using market orders. We are always expecting a not bound, but some sort of correction towards this high or this close, you know, of the signaling candle. So this candle is not that volatile. It's not like this one, for example, you know. So what we are expecting for most of the time, so we expect a reversal or a yeah, reversal towards the high of the signaling candle. Of course, high, low, close, open, you know, so all these levels must be 50% as well. So that's something what I'm using, 30% as well. So in case if the candle is too volatile, then I'm using kind of 50% of it or 30. It all depends on what market I trade. I can see that this is a very volatile, you know, instrument. And the thing is that if we won't have a too impulsive kind of move today towards up, then tomorrow we'll have a good chance to buy it as well. All right, buddy. So that's about it with this one. And I'll see you later on today or probably tomorrow, because we do have some kind of anniversary today with my wife, so probably I'm not going to be on later on, but we'll see. All right, guys, so have a great day. I'll see you, well, if not today, then tomorrow in the morning. Can follow me on TradingView as well. I'll be there definitely today. All right, guys, have a good one.